For some of us, our earliest memories begin in the classroom. Maybe we're 6, 8, 10 years old. It's where we spent half of our lives growing up. We were learning, and that learning broke down into two different things. We were coached by our teachers, our parents, our friends, and we were trained. In other words, we were working on all the different things we were coached on. Yet, somewhere along the line, maybe it's after high school or college, we expect to suddenly know it all. And when things don't go exactly to plan, we feel like we've failed ourselves, or we're broken in some capacity. And the truth is, we're not broken. We've lived our entire lives around this coaching and training idea. And now, as most of us enter our careers, arguably the most important phase of our lives, we stop this process. We all need coaching and training. It's how we were raised, and it's what we know. And if we all want to grow, be better, and achieve more, we need to be held accountable. It's not just a nice idea, it's truly essential to success.